It's your boy Codehova at Fly Combinator. We're pimping Swift, and we're going to be talking about Booleans and comparison operators. So Booleans is another type of the Swift language, just like ints and strings and characters and doubles. So Booleans, which is written with the keyword of capital B-O-O-L, bool, that is, there's two values a Boolean could be. It's either true or it's either false. So it's like we got this constant, Fly Combinator is the business. Fly Combinator is the business is equal to true. You know? So that's all it is. And it's like, is my math right? When it comes to like the comparison operators, you know, it's the alligator mouth this way, alligator mouth that way. You know, there's alligator mouth with the equal sign, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So that is what we're talking about when it comes to comparison operators. So is my math right? 5 is greater than the number 2. It's true. Is my math wrong? 2 is greater than 5. All right, false. 2 is not greater than 5. So these might not be worded the right way, but it's like that's how we do it. So let's just comparison question, and our comparison of 5 is greater than 2 is correct. So 5 is greater than or equal to. It's true, but let me just do it the other way. So is 5 greater or equal to, is 2 greater or equal to 5? It's not true. So if this was 5, it's true. If it's 6, it's true. So that is, let me just detail you the comparison operators. We have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than and equal to, and we have less than and equal to. So we have one more thing. So here are the comparison operators that you're going to be working with. So is 6 greater than or equal to 5? That is true. But what we also could do is called, let's see if we even have to do the parentheses. I usually don't, but let's just say not. Okay, because that is an expression, you're going to have to wrap it around parentheses. So it's going to evaluate this first and then reverse it. So as you can see, when it's just 6 is greater than or equal to 5, it's true. But when we put in the bang operator, okay, this is called the bang operator, it's just going to reverse that Boolean. So it's like, let's create one example. I'm really rich, and it's going to be true. But if you're a fronter, if you're a liar, if you're a liar like Lil Tay or all these Instagram clowns, right? It's going to be I'm really rich. And they're not rich, right? They're just all entertainers. So in front of those clowns, you just put in a bang. You just expose them. You just revert. At the end of the day, you're just reversing the bool. You dig? So that is what Booleans are, and that's working with the comparison operators. So you might be thinking, oh, I'm just gonna use it with numbers. Nah, that's not true, because it's like you could do like ace is greater than boogie, and that's, you see, this is false, because this is the evaluation that this is doing is not the number of characters in the, it's not saying that this is larger than this. It's saying that this is before, because it doesn't matter about the number of characters in there, because let's do boogie. You see, that's not the comparing that Swift is doing. The comparing that it's doing is like, it's saying if these words were in a dictionary, is this one farther behind than this one? Because if I change this to Cardi B, it's going to be true because C is after B. So sometimes you might be wanting to compare strings. Depends on the situation you're in. So that is Booleans, and that is also comparison operators in the Boolean realm. You dig? It's Fly Combinator, Codehova. Let's keep on rocking, yo. Just adding one of the most important comparison operators that I forgot to talk about, and that is the is equal to, which is written as the equal equal. The equal equal is different than the equal sign, because what the equal equal is going to do for you is it's going to compare to see if one value is identical to the other. So for instance, it's like wallet is equal to 250 plus 251. It's false because 250 plus 251 is 501. You dig? So it's like 250 plus 250, 500 is equal to 500. There you go. That is the comparison operator. It is different than the assignment operator. This is equal to. This is saying that, this variable, this constant is equal to this value. So, if we're doing is greater than or equal to, it's true. Less than or equal to, it's true. But when we say that, this is going to be false because this side is 500, 501. Oh, my bad. So wallet is less than, but wallet is not greater than 501. 500 definitely is not greater than 501. All right. Yeah, dig.